Hi guys, sorry for the all trouble. What you're facing right now. This is the new version of 2020. This is the Xiaomi electric scooter Pro 2 version. There is a two scooter coming at the moment in the gadget kits, a lite version and the Pro 2 version. So already we sold it so many pieces and people have a confusion about how to active that one. So this version you need to active, otherwise you cannot use it because it will beeping it and it's not going to be speed up. So you have to active. So I'm going to show you how to activate. So when you open it, I just open the unboxing the scooter. So while you're gonna unbox, you get all the tools here, screw and all Allen key. So I just leave it here, and this is the part of that. So there is the handle, first things. There's the handle. So I will just not gonna fix it now because it's a brand new. I will just show you how to activate. Only that reason I just open it. So you just locked it, and these sections you have to be very careful to put this wire inside in, because if you break it then your scooter will be break. So you have to very gently with it. So you just locked it, and all the screw what you have here, you got it with Allen key and the screw. You just put it two of this side and to the front side. So you're gonna have a one extra. So there's the Allen key and everything. So now when you turn it on, your scooter will be beeping. That noise will come over. So what you have to do, just download the app. I'll show the app, which app you have to download it on your phone. So there is a app called Xiaomi Home. This Xiaomi Home you have to download. So you can find on Play Store, you can find on App Store. Any phone if you have, you can download this app. So if you type this app when you download it, I have already downloaded, so you type it there. So there already it will detect there is a one scooter. Let's say this already detect here electric scooter Pro 2. So what I will do, I just pair now. So I will say okay, then I will just tap one press button. Then it will taking little time and it will be activating. So what I will do, I will do down. So let's say I will keep it where I want to keep it. I will keep it bedroom. So next, go through. So this is the Mi electric scooter Pro. If you want to change your name, so you can do it. Next, you can go through. Then let's go about the activating with the Bluetooth is connecting. So it's connecting everything, just okay and aggregate. So this is the firmware will update it automatically. You don't have to do, just press OK. Follow the instruction how does it. So firmware is updating, and it takes, because it's a new version and is a very good one. So you just need to activate it with the firmware updating app, as you can see. So just wait for until it's done. It just a few seconds takes, it's done. So there is one video will comes over. This is the video. So what you have to do, when you before you start, you have to watch this video. Take a patient and watch this video. This video, it shows you how really what you have to do. This is like a everything is instruction, how to use it, what to do, and where you cannot use, who cannot use, those kind of things. If you don't skip it, you have to watch the video. If you cancel it, you cannot active the scooter. So you watch it. When the video will over done, then your scooter will be active. Otherwise, if you don't watch this video, your scooter not gonna be active. So keep patient and watch the video until the end. Just wait. It's just showing that everything on the instruction, what you do, how to do, and these kind of things. So this is the new options. It's just 1 minute 17 seconds. So just keep patient and watch it until the end. the scooter is still beeping until it's active. So it's done. Just go to continue and active. Make sure you active. When you activate, done. So your scooter is ready to go. So this is the way you can active your scooter. Thank you. So watch our video and share it, so it will be easier to some other people, so they will know how to do it. Thank you so much.